Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to submit an assignment on Andamio. So I'm in the web development basics course. This is just a demo course. But let's say I wanted to submit an assignment for module 100, which is learn how to use Figma. I can just skip from the homepage to the assignment if I'm already done. You'll see that you've gone through the lessons here. So you can either click on view assignment here or just jump to the assignment from here. And then I can commit to the assignment by clicking on this button here. And it says create a hero wireframe and mockup in Figma. So I'm just gonna enter some text because just to show you guys how to use submit an assignment. But obviously in reality, there would be a detailed description of an assignment here with some assessment criteria. But in this case, we're just gonna, I'm just gonna write here, I created a wireframe and mockup in Figma. Okay, I'm gonna click on save, and after you click on save, you're gonna have this screen here where you can go back and edit evidence if you want. So you'll be taken back to this screen. You can also just make this bigger if you want to have more space to write in. These text editors work just like any text editor. You can bold, italicize, underline. There's different types of fonts, text. You can insert links. You can insert code blocks, quotes, bulleted lists, numbered lists. And if you just go slash, it opens up a menu in the editor itself, and it has some ways to insert images and YouTube videos, just so you know. So I'm gonna click on save again, and then I'm gonna click on submit assignment, and it gives you some instructions. It says you're about to submit your evidence for this assignment. Once submitted, your work will be reviewed by the course creator or administrator. This just tells you how to find your course information on the blockchain. So you can say it looks good. What are the fees that you are going to pay for? And finally, you get a note here that you're signing a transaction. So this is irrevocable. That's just how blockchain works. And so now if you're okay with all that, you just click on sign transaction. You grab your password, put it here, and now we just wait for the transaction to go through. And you can see here, it's updated to say I've submitted the assignment successfully. And now we just have to wait for the transaction to update. This is just because how the blockchain works. It takes a little while for everything to be confirmed. And you can see here now that I've submitted the assignment and my status has been updated. It's now pending approval by the course creator or admin. Once I get that, and I'll show you in another video, I'm going to be able to claim credentials for this module. Okay, that's it for this video. See you soon.